All right, guys, today we have a beautiful 2020 Ford F-250 Lariat connected to the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. As you can see, it's got these beautiful 20-inch chrome wheels on it. Only 108,000 miles, which is not even breaking this thing in. Go to the inside here. It's got the beautiful leather seats. Heated and cooled seats. You got the trailer brake control. All your audio controls right there on the steering wheel for you. Adjustable pedals, memory seats. 108,000 miles, and the leather seats look like it's got 8,000 miles. This thing is in great shape. Body is in great condition. Tires are standing tall. It's got the FX4 package on there, so it gives you the upgraded suspension. This truck has been fully serviced and is ready to roll. Give us a call today. Indy Trucks, 317-218-3613. Talk to you soon.